right, gentlemen. Another Friday night Aggreko hockey game as we take on the Bonafied Builders. So we try to get ourselves a little higher up in the standings. Missing a few important pieces tonight. No George, the Admiral, a little under the weather and puking up a storm by all accounts. We're also missing Youngblood, who is on the bench with a dislocated shoulder after sneezing himself to the IR. Still no Dougie, but we do have the return of Dan, still in the midst of his cancer treatment. Love it. And we still have a little bit of a short-handed Mike. Getting a good push off there. So Mike's still trying to avoid busting open his stitches. Will probably not be at 100% capacity tonight. That's a good turnover. Oh, rebound, yeah! There we go! Early strike on the board. That's what we like to see. There we go, there we go. Force him wide here, Paulie. That's all right, that's all right. Take it around, take it around. You got speed, andale, andale. Too much on the short side, I should have been a half step over. Ah, looking for the shot there. Big setup in front. Oh, how'd he miss? Rebound goes in. There we go. Boy, if the second one shouldn't have gone in, the first definitely should have. There we go, Jamie. Good bounce back. Have it. Oh, it's a snipe. Nice shot, Paul. There we go. That was going right in the corner. Hell of a shot. That's my fault. I got lucky here, though. Let's see if we can figure out what's wrong with this camera. Here we go, second period, and we got our second camera up and running after some reason the battery didn't want to work. We've had enough camera issues over the last couple of weeks, so hopefully get with 2 good periods of this game. A good shot on to start the period. Not often we score 3 in a frame. Hey, look at that! Somehow fed it through. And Jamie's got himself 2. How about it? I don't know if the goalie is hurt or just disappointed in himself for missing it. 4 goals on 13 shots. We'll take it. I think I'll get you guys as many whistles as I can. What is E2 doing?
sure thing.
Yeah. Here we go, penalty kill unit. What do we got?
Thank you.
That one was rattling around. Gooder taking it off of Badar's stick. Nice job. Uh-oh. Cherry picker. How long is he gonna glide? Whoa! Oh! Nicely done, Evan. What you gonna do, Eric? Did it go in? Oh no, it did. Oh, that's a bad one. That had to hurt.
Shoot! Yeah, let's shoot! Shoot!
That's all right. There we go, Evan. Set him up. Set him up. Oh, Jamie! Oh, nearly. Oh, did it go in? Jamie's got a hat trick. Oh, my goodness. Bottle from the Admiral coming his way. My gosh. All right, everyone just give the puck to Jamie. Anyone got any water I can have a little bit of? If you don't mind.
Need 2 forwards.
Thanks, buddy. Thank you. Nice job.
Good job.
That hold it. Ah, body checking. Someone let E2 know if he gets one more, he's out. I was gonna get that with my stick, and then I'm like, I got pads. Why wouldn't I just use the bigger surface to knock this one away? That was a good one. Nice clear. There we go. That was a good save. Oh no, it went in. They're all going through the 5-hole tonight. Nice.
Tried to get up over the net. That's worth a try. Nice job, bud.
Trying to Zegras me goodness. Come on. Oh, good shot.
He picked it. He picked it.
Uh-oh. Evan's gonna lunge at it. There we go, Paul. Bearing down on goal. Paul looking for it. Great save. One coming. Good double save. Look at the stop. Another good stop. Nice clear. Oh, it's in a dangerous spot too. Keeper came for it and got it. Good gamble.
That was supposed to be my goal. Every time I touched it. Just enough of it.
Woo! Nice job.
Money, man.
Hey, we still got another minute.
Happy birthday.
Another 45 seconds, man. Nice job.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you, guys. Nice game, boys. Nice job, Dan.
I got that.
I wouldn't steal your stick. I never even took it out. I figure if I touched it, I would be bad juju or something.
Nice game there, boys.
Good job. The stick probably would have gotten the right buzz.
What's that?